Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. Today in this video, I will give the cool animation live wallpaper. First open your app store. Then download the apps on your iPhone. After download the apps, check video description box. I have given the link of the wallpaper for you. Just visit the link and download the video clips. Then open the apps on iPhone. Then tap on video and live phones and tan on continue, then allow access. Then selected that video clips you downloaded. Then tap on video and click next option. Here I show you how to edit the video to love wallpaper. Here you download or edit your video. I just saw how to work here. Tap on video layer and cut video 3 seconds. Then tap on Make option top right side. Then tap on Live Photo and OK. Your wallpaper is ready to use. Just set wallpaper on your iPhone.